In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise in Discord, and I'm going to show you how you can get the best sounding quality from your microphone. So on Discord, you need to go to user settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you've done that, go ahead and scroll down and go to voice and video. Now by default, you need to select your microphone, so choose the microphone that you want to use. I'm going to choose my microphone here. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and test the microphone, but we can do that after we've changed these settings. So if you scroll down, you've got automatic adjust input sensitivity. Now I would recommend you turn this off. And what you can do is you can change this slider and you can turn it up or down. Now you just want to stop talking and see where the audio lies naturally. So as you can see, mine goes to about here. So what I could do is bring this down to about here. What I would also do, if you've got a loud keyboard, you want to go ahead and just press the keys. And as you can see on this configuration, the keys would actually spike. So anything to the right where it's green, someone would be able to hear it. So when we press the key, we want it so it just comes under the green. So you want to play around with that and adjust it just so your voice is the only thing that's going to the green section. Then you've got your noise suppression. You can go ahead and try this if you want to crispen your audio, but I would recommend you just turn this off first and just see how it is without any of this, because this is going to muffle your voice a little bit. You can then go to show advanced settings, and then here you've got automatic gain control. You can turn that off as well as any of these others here. Now this is all of the audio settings, the main one being this level and turning off the input sensitivity. You can then go and exit out of this and then try your new settings.